Hey guys, today I will show you how to craft potions in Monster Hunter World. To craft a potion, you need one herb. Herbs are very common in most maps. Once you have the item, open your menu and go to the crafting list. Select potion and craft it directly. You can also turn on autocraft so potions are made automatically whenever you pick up the materials. You can also upgrade them later by combining potions with honey to make mega potions. Useful tip: always enable autocraft for potions and mega potions. This way you never waste materials and you stay stocked on healing items during longer hunts. And that's how to craft potions in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.